In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your opening hours on Fresha with our full 2025 guide. Whether you're a salon owner or managing a spa, keeping your operating hours up to date on Fresha is crucial for your business and your clients. So, let's dive right in. To start, you'll want to head over to Fresha's official website, the go-to platform for instantly booking salons and spas nearby. Once you arrive, give yourself a moment to feel comfortable with the layout of the homepage. This will help you easily navigate your way through the tasks ahead. Keep an eye out for anything that might be highlighted, as it often points you towards the next step in the process. Once you're familiar with the site, go ahead and sign into your account. If you prefer using Google for signing in, click on Continue with Google. By doing so, you harness the convenience of your existing Google credentials, making the sign-in process swift and integrated with Fresha's services. After completing the sign-in process, you'll be directed to the partner's dashboard. Here, you'll find the tools you need for managing various aspects of your business. Look for another highlighted section that will guide you to the management area. This part of the site is key because it gives you access to updating your business listings and more. When you've accessed the management area, the next thing to do is locate the button labeled Manage. Clicking on this will take you to your location settings. In this section, you'll make important edits related to your business, including changes to your opening hours. Shift your focus to the working hours section on your dashboard. Here, look for a link or button labeled Your Opening Hours. Clicking on this will display your current working hours settings. It's here that you can begin to make your necessary updates. Now it's time for the main task, editing your hours. Click on whatsoever section indicates where you can make changes, usually labeled Edit. From there, you'll want to hit Add Your Opening Hours. Carefully select the hours you wish to update, whether it's adjusting your opening time or setting a new closing time to reflect changes in your operation schedule. As you fill in these details, ensure that all hours of operation are accurate. Take a moment to review and verify your selections before you proceed. This verification step is crucial to make sure your business hours are correctly set. After finalizing your updates, review everything once more to ensure that the changes appear correctly and as intended. If there are multiple days or time slots you need to edit, repeat the process, making sure your clients see accurate, up-to-date information. You've now successfully updated your opening hours on Fresha. Keeping your business hours precise isn't just vital for managing staff schedules, but it's also essential for delivering the most reliable service to your clients. I hope this guide has been helpful. Thank you for watching, and good luck with your